If one himself does exactly as one instructs, then with a well-tamed self, one tames others. Dhammapad 159. If you are keen to discipline others in the same way, you must oneself behave in that manner. It is the best disciplined person who will discipline others best. The most difficult to be disciplined is one's own self indeed. As one teaches others, so should one do oneself. Well tamed, one may others tame. Oneself to tame is hard. Dhammapad 159. Otta nonche totha koira যথন নয়ন মনুশাসতি চিদন্ত বত দমেথ তাহি কির দুদম্ম Dhammapad 159